We are obviously in the car. It's 10:51 and we are driving up to West Yellowstone, which is kind of crazy to me. I did not think that's what we were gonna do this weekend, but we woke up, got ready, made some hot chocolate, packed some snacks. We're gonna stop at Chick-fil-A and we're going up to West Yellowstone to meet up with Riley's family and just go like drive through the park and go swimming in their hotel and just kind of have a fun day. So I'm really excited to document today. We're back at Maverick making a pit stop because I need to get some snacks so we can drive through the whole park. Okay, oops, seatbelt. Sorry. Okay, we're going to Chick-fil-A right now, but I want to show you our snack haul for right now. We got some sour gummy worms, nibs, peach rings. This is for me. Reese's stuffed with the pieces, because oh my gosh, I think this is like my new favorite candy. Then I got Riley a Snickers. Got Riley a Mountain Dew. I made hot chocolate at home. Oh, and just casually went in with my boot freaking open that whole time. My freaking red snowflake socks is poking out. Oh my gosh. I walked out and I'm like, wow, my foot isn't hurting as much as it normally does. It's because my boot is open. I feel like such a dweeb. I don't care, but anyways, that's our little haul. And then we're going to Chick-fil-A. It's like 5 minutes away. I'm so hungry, I'm so excited. And how far are we from West Yellow?
2 hours.
Still?
Well, from Mammoth.
Oh. Got a long ways to go, friends. We need snacks. But really these are for like when we're driving through the park. So we're just gonna, I brought a little lunchbox. I'm gonna put them in there and save them because we'll be in the park for a long time today apparently. And I mean, there's a lot to see, but until we stop for like dinner, or lunch, which I doubt that we will, but when we stop for dinner, that'll be like the food. So we brought a lot of snacks. We got our Chick-fil-A and now we're heading to AutoZone because we need different windshield wipers. The ones that we got when we bought the car have been crappy and we knew that. And they've been crappy and we lasted a whole winter with them, but it's starting to rain and we'll probably be driving back late tonight and it's snowing up in West Yellowstone. And so just like lightly, but rain, snow. So we wanted to get some better ones to just make our lives easier, and now's a good time. About an hour-ish and some time left till we get into Mammoth. So we're pretty close to West Yellowstone, but we're gonna go to like the small town of Mammoth. And we just pulled over to go see the watering hole, which Riley has stopped at ever since he was little. And we stopped at a couple of times, and as we keep driving, you guys, it is snowing. It's October 6th and it's snowing. It's just little flurries, they're super cute, but it's snowing. So as we've been driving, I was gonna make this like a normal vlog and try to talk to you guys and entertain you, but I think for my own personal like want and just for like my greed, I want to make this a travel vlog. So it's gonna be a lot more of like the nature and what we're seeing with just like music that fits it over me trying to talk and explain what we're doing. So just let's roll the montages. him. He's coming. Oh my God.